Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making another tasty soup, this time black bean soup. Please watch my videos to the end. They are short and helps me keep making videos, so thank you for doing that. So let's do what we do and make it happen. We have a carrot, celery stalk, crushed red pepper, black pepper, salt, cumin, lime, and chopped garlic. We also have some onion. Yo, grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Eat it. Chicken broth, but fam, you can use chicken stock, vegetable broth. It's your kitchen. Do what you want. Let's chop the carrot, our celery. We're gonna slice our lime and chop some onions. That's the hardest part of this soup, guys. We're gonna add some olive oil to our pot that's over medium-low heat and add our onions, carrots, and celery. Give it a little stir. At this stage, we'll toss in some salt. About half our salt. We're laying the flavors a little bit. Now we're going to cook these vegetables until they're soft, stirring off and on. Now that they're soft, we're going to add the garlic and the rest of the seasonings. Cook and stir for about a minute. Add our black beans and stir some more. Next, we're adding our chicken broth. We're going to raise the heat to medium, bring our soup to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and let our soup simmer for 30 minutes. Then we're going to add a little heavy whipping cream. We're going to take our hand blender and blend until our desired consistency. Of course, you can use a regular blender for this step. We're serving up a hot bowl of our soup, squeezing on some fresh lime, and serving with some tasty tortilla chips. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Okay, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra's out. Peace.